go. You need your utensils and a bowl. But first, we need to put our apron. Whoa, that was fast. Now we're ready to make slime. Let's open it. We got glue. My favorite. Blue. And we got pink, my favorite. And we got two of these colors. Look. This is blue. These are two. These. And this is washable color glue. That's it. Oh. My kit came with washable color glue, glitter glue, and two slushy activators. My kit came with two glitter glues and two magical liquids. Which one you want to do, Hayleigh? Purple. Which one you want to do, Howard? I want to do blue. First, we need to dump the glue. Second, we need to put the activator in it. Then we stir it and then we knead it. Do it. It's so glittery. It's my turn. Whoa, it looks like the ocean kind of. Yeah. Yours look like space. Yeah. This is hard. Whoa. Yeah. It's glittery. Yeah. Whoa. Now we're gonna add the activator. Tap on the side. Look white. Mine too. It looks fluffy. Mine are up there. Oh, don't make a mess. Why it looks so fluffy, guys? I think I'm done. Me too. Yay. Now let's grab our utensil and mix it. It looks cool, guys. Yeah. Right here. It's getting hard. Yeah. I think we're done, guys. Now we're gonna knead it. Whoa. Amazing. Whoa. It looks so blue. Yeah. It looks so perfect. Look at that sound. That sound. It's so sticky. It's so colorful. Yeah. I can hear that. It's so satisfying. Amazing. Sticky. Yeah. This is actually really fun. Yeah, and I like mine because it's so glittery. Yeah. Mine don't look kind of glittery no more. But cool. This is how my slime came out. This is how my slime came out. Comment below if you like my slime or Howard's. Whoa. It's leaning. This is so cool. And this is so pretty. Wow. This looks like more cooler than Hayleigh's, but Hayleigh look cool too. Your slime looks very slimy. Yours looks very sticky slimy. Mine are not even sticking yours. Can I feel yours? Yeah. Feel yours, I'll feel yours. So good. Oh. Whoa, my brother's slime is so good. Hayleigh's slime look cool. When I feel it, it looks so hard. Something like that. Every time I smush it, it might make a squishy sound. Your turn. Look. Look at Hayleigh's. Every time I touch it or squish it, it leaves handprints.
Amazing!
It's cool. We're gonna do making slime part 2. Now let's pour the glue. I like this color. Yeah. Whoa, look inside. It looks like fart sound. I think that's enough. We already got too much. Getting cooler. That's long. So cool. Yeah. I feel like something. I think I need it now. Now I think I'm gonna need it. That should be so cool. Yeah.
Amazing!
It looks so cloudy. I like yours, Cinco. I like yours too. Look cool, guys. Whoa. I saw a bubble. Like spider webs. See a bubble. Oh! Mine looks like spider webs right here. Mine looks like slime already. Yeah. Howard, you made a mess. I know, it's so messy. Like messy. I'm gonna take it all. Oh no. Bye. Oh, it's gonna take you forever to take that off. I know. I'm glad I didn't do the fluffy slime. Yeah, you did. It looks like my brother got pied in the face. Yeah. Everywhere. On your apron, I look like a clown. Yeah, a crazy clown. I gotta go take a shower and see the next video. Today I'm gonna do the fairy fluffy kit. Today I'm gonna do the fluffy slime kit. What are you doing, Hayleigh? I'm gonna do the fairy slime kit. I kind of look like slime. I gotta go take a shower in the next video. Which one are you gonna do first, Hayleigh? Purple.